Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can insult in Europa Universalis 5. So what we'll need to do is basically go right here to diplomacy and click on actions, then go to the hostile actions, and as you can see, you can send an insult. So it is insulting another country will purposely damage their opinion of us, and it will make less likely to accept our diplomatic actions. So this is how you basically send an insult. Selected this, and here you can select a country. So let's say this. Let's select this one like this, or just this. And as you can see, you'll see that you'll be able to select a word, a sentence, and it says that this will deeply offend them, giving a casus belli against us for 5 years. And if you click OK, you'll be able to send an insult. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you send insult in Europa Universalis 5. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.